Hi, this is Timothy Howard with Clarity Connect. Looking forward to a quick demo here of our grower website solutions for Medford nurseries. This solution has all kinds of functionality built specifically for wholesale growers, but we are going to focus exclusively now on the availability, a little bit of current crop photos, and the ease of use of placing an online order for your customers. As you can see, this has been modified with some Medford nursery information. And we know from all kinds of data, heat mapping, et cetera, that the availability is the number one thing that customers come to wholesale grower websites for. So we make it easy. You can have it built into your slideshow image. We always have it as a main navigation item, as well as you can add a CTA or a call to action button on your homepage as well. So when I click that, it takes me over and it shows me wholesale pricing and quantity available only because I am logged in. If I was not already logged in, it would ask me to log in. But in essence of time, I wanted to go ahead and show this. Scrolling down, you can see various plants. Some of them are out of stock. If they're out of stock, you can click it and then select to be get notified. Since I'm logged in, it has my information and I can say how many I want and when I need them. Similarly, as you're scrolling, you're going to see sometimes small little thumbnails, which is a actual current crop image. So if I take a look at Ice Dragon and click in, that is the current crop image right now. These images are self-pruning, so they will stop displaying on the site at the proper time without you having to do any additional work. Alex was kind enough to send me an availability list, so I did go ahead and incorporate some of those azaleas that you sell into the website. So as I'm scrolling down, Karen, you should recognize the pricing here for the 2-gallon, 3-gallon, 5-gallon. These were the quantities available as of the 27th of October. I keep going. Oh, let me point out, in your data, you also had the height for each of the various sizes, so that has been brought in. Similarly, your Stewartsonians had some status of tip prune for the 2 and 3 gallons, as well as new growth for the 5-gallon. You'll notice there's 1,211 of the number 5s, so let's go ahead and order 11 of those. There are 2,496 of the 3s, so I will order 6 of those. And 964 here of the 2 gallons. I will order 4 of those. And then just for a little bit of variability, I will add a couple of other varieties. Now I can go to view cart. These are the items in my cart. I can delete them, change quantities, continue shopping, etc. Just your standard cart functionality. Oh, I might also point out that here are your IDs for your parts, for your plant, sorry. I'm going to proceed to checkout, and I'm going to have this as a customer pickup and move on through the checkout process. And what is my pickup date? The earliest that I can pick it up is 30. There are settings in the back office that you can control, and the way that I have them set up right now is that if an order is placed after noon Eastern Standard Time, it will be 3 days out before the soonest someone could select pickup. Therefore, it is Thursday the 30th. I'll go ahead and select that day and submit my order. My order confirmation request is shown here, as well as me getting an email, and then the appropriate staff at Medford would be notified as well. And then this order will also be in the Clarity Console back office where you can manage website content and orders. So let's now pop back to the availability and go back to Azalea. We go down to the Stewartsonian. You know, remember this was 1,211, this was 2,496, this was 964. So the numbers are updating as orders are placed throughout the day or until the next inventory sync happens. And do want to just show one other view here. The pretty view or the grid view shows the images of the plants, shows the various SKUs in your SKU table, including the status, sizes, quantities, etc. Last thing, when I go into the Clarity Console back office, I can being the store manager here, and this is the order I just placed. You can see other recent orders, breakdowns of sales by plant by category, and a lot of other information. Everything we do is geared towards helping wholesale growers sell more plants more profitably.
We really hope we get to work with you on this project. Thank you again so much for your time.